Ciao tutti, hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm cooking saltimbocca di pesce with salsa verde di salvia. It's a new recipe again made from fish because usually the saltimbocca is always cooked with either veal, pork, beef, can be chicken as well. But you know me, I changed all those, and today I come up with fish, which is this lovely piece of fillet of cod here. I will wrap it with prosciutto, which is here, and it's got all the elements of the saltimbocca. It's only because it's made from fish rather than meat that I mentioned. So before we can go um, further for this today's recipe, we have to start with the salsa verde first, which is here about handfuls of parsley. This is for the salsa verde, and I have the sage here. I have more parsley than sage because if you do salsa verde of sage alone, it will be very strong. So that's why I'm putting parsley. So this is about, my handful, my measurement is handful, meaning it's about an ounce, 25 grams. That is my rough measurements, but I will give to you the all the measurements and conversion of the oven at the end of the video. So stick around and please don't forget to subscribe and like, share, and comment. And of course, thank you for those people who already subscribed. So yeah, so let's start on the um, parsley in my little helper, my Kenwood. Actually, Mr. Kenwood is my best friend in the kitchen. So I put the parsley in there because we have to make the salsa verde first. So about an ounce of parsley and about a dozen, 12, 10 to 12 pieces of leaves of sage. That's my measurements that you can taste the you can taste the sage, but not overpowering, especially for fish. So in goes with the rest of the ingredients. Let me just move this away so that you can see everything what I'm doing. So I've got a tablespoon of capers in here and 3 fillet of anchovies from jar on oil in there. Those are essential. And garlic. If you don't like garlicky, and then you can use just small amount of garlic. I like garlic, so I put small 3-4 garlic cloves, very small, and those are from my garden. So, and oil, about 5 to 6 tablespoons, 50 ml, about 6 tablespoons of oil in here, and we're ready to put the lid on, and in goes, and we start, and again, okay, it's only me, I can hear it, so. That, I must show you. Okay, that's it. In we go. Here is the fillet of cod, very beautiful. And I'm going to season it with salt because cod is very flaky fish, we must season it with fish, with salt and salt and pepper always. As always, not too much salt because I'm using prosciutto here, which is, prosciutto has got salt. So remove that bits here. So I have a generous portion here of 200 grams per serving. So that's generous. If you want to have a smaller portion, go ahead. So in goes. So this is my prosciutto, which I have to tell you, the saltimbocca is got with prosciutto crudo, meaning smoked prosciutto, smoked ham, which is the one I'm using here. They called it here speck. Actually, I prefer the speck than prosciutto because it really have flavor. So I'm putting it there because I'm going to wrap it, and I'm going to put the the salsa verde. I told you that I am I always break the rule. So the Saltimbocca doesn't have salsa verde, but it's me. So I put salsa verde, but with sage, because sage is one of the elements of the of Saltimbocca, and prosciutto, of course. So that's one thing. It's done. I roll it again, and now we're ready to put it on the baking dish, and will be ready in the oven. So I will make another parcel here for another slice, another portion. And we go. So put the prosciutto overlaying each other. So for this one, I also put underneath so that you can see that you can do both sides to get the maximum flavor from the sage. The sage actually for saltimbocca is just leaves on top of the meat, which they use toothpick to hold it together. So, but for me, I'm doing my way. So, it's delicious. So here, let me just, that one there, forgot. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So here is it. I'm ready to put the folder. Here we go. And another one. And not beautiful. And the flavor, I'm telling you, the flavor is just going to be exploding in the mouth. So now this is going to go to the oven for 180 degrees preheated, 180 to 200, 180, let's say 200 degrees centigrade, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. So while the saltimbocca, the fish wrapped in prosciutto, is in the oven, I'm cooking potatoes because I decided to serve it with mashed potato. And I think the potato now is ready. It's boiling away. And yeah, it's ready. So let me just drain this potato here, and I'll come back with you. And yes, so okay, I am here, I'm back, and I'm going to mash my potato. This is how I mash my potato. If you have another way of mashing it, please do so. But this is my my little gadget here, potato ricer, and I just pressed it like that, and in goes out the potatoes from the ricer, and another two. So this is 200 grams of potatoes, red potatoes, enough for us for two. So obviously if you're serving for more than 2 portions, you double all the ingredients that I will be giving to you after the video. At the end of the video, I write it down. So that's pretty much done for my mash, and put this away. And I want to add this with ricotta cheese. You know, if you have your own recipe for mashed potato, you can do so. But this is my favorite mashed potato. I have ricotta cheese, and I've saved some of the water from potato because if I need to loosen up the mash, then I can always add some of liquid. So, but I think I will add liquid, and that's my mash, very nice. And I will put some seasoning. I love seasoning. I like to put salt on my mash. That's half a teaspoon of that for 200 grams. You can always adjust seasoning for your taste. And that's looking very good for me. We both love potatoes, and still a little bit dense actually. So let's put another drop of liquid, and should take care of it. Yeah. And that's looking yummy. This is the saltimbocca just come out from the oven after 20 minutes, and I'm ready to plate up now. And this is done already, and I can see it very flaky fish underneath the prosciutto, and sage is one of the are very part of the ingredients of saltimbocca, and that is in there. I'm going to put in the middle. Voila. Gorgeous, yeah. And that is my, I put this. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. Yeah, beauty. And a little bit of this liquid here on the mash. Beautiful. So, yeah. Okay. And what? And some greenery. And it goes there. And sage, because that's how they do for saltimbocca, just sage on top of prosciutto. And this one, look, because it's organic sage, it's got insect bite. So, no. Goes over with his and hers plate here, eh? We have his and hers. So, no arguing who gets the white and who gets the black. So, well, that's our colors. So, here, that's one more. And don't waste all these goodies here. Very, very delicioso. And it goes and goes and goes. Here we go. How beautiful they are. How beautiful it is. That's the green already. The green is oozing out. The green is oozing out, the salsa verde oozing out from the fish and prosciutto and the deliciousness. In hers, just to let you know, this is for me, by the way. Can you see? Yeah. Try, please try this at home and let me know and on comment, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and for those who subscribe already, thanks a lot. Thanks for now. Okay, I am done now. Thank you for watching.